Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So Labor Day holiday yesterday, nothing really happened. We are still flirting with this 56.50 area. Actually just take the actual high. 56.55 is the actual level, but until we break through this one way or another, there's actually no trade. So from my perspective, we are still in a range. That is the range. 56.55 is the upper end of the range, and 55.69 the bottom end of the range. So 56.55 and 55.65, you can actually run it off. So it's a 100-point range that we find ourselves in at the moment. Oscillator's not helping us at the moment. If we drill down to the 3 hour, nothing really changes. We are grouped to the upside, indicating a potential move back down to somewhere inside the range, and it normally is the middle side of the range somewhere. Okay, so middle here is 56.12, 5600, somewhere around there is going to be the next logical level. So when you look at this from an hour perspective, yesterday we were looking for a pullback onto structure. We did get one, and I'm going to just highlight this here. This was one of the levels we were looking at yesterday, but there's multiple. Each one of these tails is a level. But this pin bar, let's just put this other pin bar in. There's your one pin bar, is a second pin bar. So that's kind of where we came into yesterday, early in the session, and then we sort of rallied. Look at your oscillators at the moment. They have separated. They are pointing down, so this is indicating we are hunting for some structure below us. Could be where we're coming up to right now as I'm talking, or it could also be lower down, sort of in the middle of the range area at 56.12, 5600. There is quite a bit of structure here as well. So I'm of the opinion that we don't really want to jump in on this until the markets are open, number one, and then number two, we need to see some solid structure. There are gaps to the downside, and the one gap sits right over there. So if you just put that level in, very small gap, probably 1 or 2 points, but that is at 56.06. So 5600 is also some form of structure. So if you just look left to Friday's price action, you'll see every one of these tails, or any one of those tails, would offer resistance. And remember, Friday the buyers were here. So I highly don't think that we're going to fall. Obviously we are ranging, so I think the range is going to continue. So either wait at these zones that I've given you, or the safer bet is going to be a break and retest of 56.55. You want a clear break up, clear retest, moving averages all pointing up, and that would be an opportunity. I wouldn't pay too much attention to this chaos, especially pre-market. So yeah, that's kind of my story, pretty much the same as yesterday. Just wait for a break or wait for some support or structure, and that would indicate the opportunity to go long. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.